Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we will unbox Redmi 12 5G. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM. Let us start unboxing the phone. So now we have the phone itself. .5 charger. Charging cable. User manual. Phone cover. It has matte finish on back, so no more yellowing on back. Okay, now back to the phone. Now let's insert the SIM into the SIM slot. Okay, now let's power up the phone. Now I will start setting up the phone. I forgot to mention that it has got glass back. So there you go guys. This is Redmi 12 5G. The specifications of the phone is given in the description. See you guys in the next video. Peace.